Did you know that additive manufacturing, commonly known as 3D printing, can be your handyman for household items? Indeed, this innovative technology has revolutionized the way we repair, replace, and even upgrade objects in our homes and workplaces. Consider your garden tools, those small handheld instruments that often go missing or break from frequent use. With 3D printing, you can create sturdy, custom-made tools right in your home. Whether it's a trowel, a mini rake, or a plant label, 3D printing has got you covered. But it's not just about garden tools. From kitchen utensils to clothing hangers, 3D printing can breathe new life into items that have worn out or broken. It's a cost-effective, efficient, and eco-friendly solution for everyday wear and tear. You can find quick solutions on websites like Thingiverse, Printables, or My Mini Factory. So, the next time you lose or break a household item, remember you have a 3D printer at your disposal. If you don't own a 3D printer, ask a friend or local makerspace for help. Turn your problems into creative solutions, one layer at a time.